Hello everyone. Today's topic is oscillator. Now, what is an oscillator? What does it do? Oscillator generates signal of specific frequency and amplitude. So, at the output of the oscillator, we get the waveform like sine wave, square wave, or triangular wave, depending on the type of oscillator we use. In oscillator, we do not have any input. Still we get the AC output. So this is an AC waveform. Okay. Important point, oscillator is a type of amplifier. Remember this. Okay. So what I told, oscillator is an amplifier. So I write the oscillator as an amplifier. Okay, so we have an input to the oscillator or the amplifier as V in. I told you if we do not apply the input, then also we get the output. We write the output as V0. If the part of the output, okay, so this is the output, a part of the output is fed back to the input via a feedback circuit. So we have a feedback circuit, and if the feedback signal is of proper magnitude and phase, the circuit will produce a output voltage. So we get a proper output over here at V0 as a sine wave, square wave, or triangular wave, depending on the type of the oscillator we used. Okay, let's write the oscillator gain as AV and the feedback gain as beta. If the gain of the amplifier is AV and the feedback gain is beta, so what we get is the total gain of the circuit. If I write that as AF as gain, so what we get as AF is V output upon V input. This is the formula for gain. What we get is the gain of the amplifier upon 1 minus gain of the amplifier into beta. If the input is 0, so what we get is 1 minus gain of the amplifier into beta is equal to 0. So the final expression is gain of the amplifier into feedback gain is equal to 1. This is the Barkhaussen's criteria. Now you understood the Barkhaussen's criteria. But for oscillations, there are two conditions. This is the most important points. Two conditions for oscillations. The first one is the magnitude of loop gain must be equal to 1. That is, the gain of the amplifier into feedback gain must be equal to 1. The second condition is that total phase shift of the loop gain must be equal to 0 or 360. Okay, thank you for today.